Okay, what's going on, guys? Relax here, and today I'm gonna bring you a special video with Aladin 1v1 Revolver on start. Skip. What? How do you store?
3 kills, man.
Game. Store. MP. Gravity. Oh. Okay, let's.
Tony!
Okay. We have a revolver on our side and go take it. And we have to 1v1 each other like and all the times we do.
I'm lacking.
That's correct. We're bringing down the chips.
I think I'm flying now.
And you can lay down in this game mode. Try to polylignal. Hey, Armor, try to lay down on the floor.
I don't know how.
But do this, go up and do it. Oh, you don't know how to do it.
I know how to play this shit, man. I'm flying now!
Nope. You're not flying.
I'm on a...
Where do you fly? I want to see where you can fly, okay? Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
I have...
Where can you fly? Can you fly here? Armor, stop!
Here.
Where can you do it?
Here! See, I'm flying now. I
believe I can fly. I believe I can take my die. Oh, what is on? Give me the phone. The iPhone.
I got a snap pack. What the fuck?
You just lay down. Yeah. What?
I'm dead.
You're dead. You're dead. Hi. I can take your revolver. Whoa. Where did it go? Oh, right there.
I have 100 ping.
No. Oh shit, you have a high ping.
I think it's you now.
No, because I have yours internet.
No, I have me internet. My internet. Myself internet.
I have your internet.
No, not me. I need that. I think he's going to when we went in now. This is true.
No way. Just once the winner, because it's first to 8 points. Okay.
Okay.
You have 200 ping. What? No way.
You do. You do. 1 more point to me, and I win. No.
I'm gonna use my mouse pad too. Skills.
I need one more point.
Yeah, right.
36 ping.
What? My ping's only 8. No, okay.
GG.
Okay, let's beat each other at the middle.